Hello everyone, Jean is here, and as usual, I'll share with you results of trading this week and also technical overview for gold this coming week. So, as you know, guys, I am still using the EA, mostly auto system, and combining with some other trades I'm taking and sending it to Telegram channel. As you can see, guys, this week the EA traded to 974 dollars. I have to say that I had a little bit of issue this week with the EA because it's a slightly new version and settings I was trying there, and there were some issues with it. But still, even with the issues, the EA has made profit, and all the trades setups I was sending, the manual ones, also closed out with profit because you can see there is nothing floating. And once again, the Telegram channel where I was sending the screenshots you can find at Jana FX. You can see, guys, this is the um, trades, okay? And the official Telegram channel, as you can see here, Jana FX. That's the only channel I have in Telegram. Okay, now let's. I'm gonna still continue. I know quite a few people are asking again to get the EA, the with the outer setup, but I still want to have another week because yes, like I'm saying, it was a bit of the issue with the new version of the EA, and I want to make sure that it's going to be all right this week. So let's see how it will perform. I know still it's a high risk of using it. That's why I would suggest to use it only on a cent account. Anyway, so let's just see what to expect for the gold this coming week and what was happening this week. So this is the 4-hour time frame. That's our week, and as you can see, guys, I highlighted this orange area, the yellow area, just to show you that we are in still flat, right, in a flat area where there is no trend for gold. So it's not going up, it's not going down, it just sits in this range. And the previous week it was 2500 range, right, and 2530 something. And this week it's actually came out from 2500, went back inside again, and now stays again below 2500. So basically what I was telling you, my other video previous week technical overview, right, that my expectation was exactly a continuation of the flat until some certainty, some news, and of course the US interest rate, right? And it was not this week, and it's not going to be next week either. So it's the FOMC is going to be the week after. So basically, this coming week, I would be expecting something similar, unless there is something else, maybe like some leaking information will come out on the market. That quite can happen, and the big move might happen before FOMC and I mean rate decision, and who knows any geopolitical situation. So basically, see, this week nothing was happening. It was just quiet, and the price stayed in the same range. So I was telling you about this also, the 2470 where we had previous low. That's what was my view of coming out from the channel, right, taking the bottoms, then go back up, taking the top. So basically this week it did not reach the top, it did not take 530, and interestingly it did not take the bottom 2470 either, right? So plus minus, as you can see, the high and the low. So it actually stays in between. So that's why, for example, this week I wouldn't be surprised that the gold will try to go and take the high and then come back again, and then try to take the low, and then maybe come back again into, who knows, above 2500 or below 2500. We can see that all the actions happening around 2500 level, price level. So That's the situation this moment. So basically, the same from the previous week analysis I was telling you. I have changed a little bit of the colors. You can see that our main channel where we see stuck, right? We stuck in this area and we can't come out because basically there is no fuel for a bigger move. There is uncertainty and the market just doesn't know what to do next. So if we're in channel and some news happens, we can go further down and see what else we can have here is that what's that level? We have 24.36 something. What can happen is that we might get to that area and started to go back up again and stay 25.30. This might end up as a pennant. Okay, so I did not highlight this one. That's the other level from the, also you see that's the one I'm trying to show you, the one I connected with the bottoms here. And if the price might go to around 24.30 and come back, I would consider that as a pennant, bullish pennant, basically bullish pennant, and continuation of then afterwards breaking up and going for the price going higher. And at the same time, if we will come out from here, I will cancel that a possible creation of the pennant. So if it will go further 24, well, I mean, okay, 24.30 something, it might go down and then come back again, still would be considering as a pennant. If it goes below and stays and further down, so I would be saying this is still the channel is in the progress, that light blue highlighted light blue channel. So you see, that's how I see it, guys. Okay. That's my view, and I'm going to just leave it as it is. Like I'm saying, we're still in this flat area, a little bit of insights of my thoughts I gave you, but I have been streaming a little bit this week, but couldn't continue afterwards. Because of these new settings I was putting on the EA, I was changing the EA in the process. That's where something happened to maybe when I was changing it, and there was a little bit of an issue with it, so I was not streaming it. But the first 2 days, I think I had a stream, and one of the days I just wanted to share with you how you can be so 100% sure about your technical analysis, and at the same time you could be wrong. And the someone wrote to me, well, I'm just trying to see there, I see the one of the viewers wrote to me, that was on the 3rd of September, right? 3rd of September. Here, so I already saw, you see, I wasn't at the screen because, like I'm telling you, I'm not trading yet. And I just, it was running by the EA. I placed my orders. You see, they worked out quite well. These two triggered. There was buy, was sell. Maybe it was a buy and a loss and it recovered it. I don't know. But as you can see, nothing it was running. And here, all the trades closed when I already saw this message. Unfortunately, there is no time when the guy wrote to me, but I presume he was writing to me when the market was around to 500, either in here, maybe on that move somewhere he was writing to me. But obviously what he said is like, look, you need to stop your your game. The analysis is wrong and you hold this trade still. I think I must have had sell here or something, and so the trade has bullish setup, and you see now is a pullback that will result in another bullish move later in the day. So basically later in the day the market did not go the way the guy was expecting it to go. So I just wanted to show you a little bit also a bit closer. As I see pullback occur here because it's like level of the low time, key level of low time frame. So basically saying, yeah, that from 2500 it should go up, right? That was the main key. But look what happened. So basically the market went down and then came back up and then went down again. So while the guy was trying to just to look for the buys, well, you know, the trades on with my strategy in the EA will keep going, obviously, right? And you see how the market um, fooled everyone. Remember, I was also telling you in my previous analysis it could be double bottom. So basically, yes, quite a bit of the signs of it should be reversal. But I'm saying to you, you know, you can't trust. It's the market. It's not going to do what you want it to do. And that's why you have to do what you can do. It's like I'm saying, don't think where it's going to go. Let the price decide. That's my strategy. That's my way of trading. Let the price decide where to go, buy or sell. And you can see it went even further down. And I'm showing that this was on the third, and look how many trades already been there, and the price gone even further, 24.80. And I think the price went, yeah, you see it even went down 24.70 something, but it didn't reach our one of the previous bottoms. And you see the trades were going on with my strategy, and at the end of the day, 24.75 the price gone. So it didn't reverse the same day. See, as you can see, it's already 5 o'clock on my in NMT4. And my day target, well, not target, I don't have targets, but my day profit was already $742. Okay, so that's just wanted to give you a bit of an example, guys, that all these people who is telling you, oh, how certain we are that here is going to be reversed. Look, even the next day the market went up a bit, 22,500, and it still didn't continue, right? It had created another bottom, and only afterwards it decided to go back up. And if you followed my Telegram channel, we had trade here, have placed orders here, and we had orders here, and orders here. So it doesn't matter. That's what I'm saying. With my strategy, no need to think where you're gonna have pullback, turn around. Yes, it's nice to know where it's going to go, and to use a little bit, of course, another strategy I use when I'm actually trading fully, watching the screen, and still don't, well, I mean, it's nice to know, but it's still not to the point is like someone see, I would be telling someone, you are so wrong, right? Like the guy's telling me, oh, you're so wrong. I mean, he's not the only one. This is just one example. I'm getting this quite often when the people think they're so smart and they know better. So, but as you can see, the reality shows you that's what can happen. So basically, see, if you would be buying here, like, right, like here your stop loss would be somewhere 100, and then it goes further and then hits you, then you go and you see, because so many you can see pins here, right? That's what was happening. It's like people were like so buying into this and placing these stops, and it goes even further down, taking your stop. And then when you are sure here, okay, we are now pulling back and going back up, and then they push you back down again. Lucky if you had your stop below around 24.70. Of course, like in this situation, for example, if I would wanted to go for that reverse, my stop would be way below this previous low, you see, so like somewhere around here, but it's a huge stops. You see, basically it's a huge stops. When with my strategy, okay, I hit the stop, the year recovers it. Okay, so it goes up, down, up, down, up, down all the time. So yeah, and that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. That's the way I trade. Okay, I do not tell like you should do it, you want to do it. I'm not going to convince you where the price go. You decide. I do my technical overview so you can see how quite accurate my analysis are. And the way I trade, yes, it's a bit risky with all of these lots going a little bit bigger through the recovery systems, but that's what I'm saying all the time. Use money management. Depends on the size of your account, and if you decide to follow my strategy, it's up to you and at your own risk. Okay, so all the risks you take yourself. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you an example, and never be 100%, even 99% sure that the price will go the way you think it will go, because yes, it might go eventually, but you might already blow your account. So yeah, that's the reality. That's the way of the market works. Yeah. So that's it for now, guys. Just wanted to share with you a little bit of all of this trading, what is going on, how EA performs, and happy trading, everyone. And I'll talk to you next week. Bye, everyone. Bye for now.